Welcome to Display Case Smart. This video highlights the features of our Octagon Jewelry Vision pedestal case. This contemporary pedestal display case is great for showing off high-quality smaller products. You may choose from a wider black fabric deck, a wider black hardboard deck, a wood deck, a glass deck, or a mirror deck. The contemporary style does not have trim in order to give it a clean, smooth look. This jewelry display case can be ordered as a lighted display case with optional mini side LED lights. The overall size for this jewelry display case is 35 inches wide, 35 inches deep, and 45 inches high. The glass area is 9 inches high. We can build this Octagon jewelry display case in several wood choices: red oak, cherry, mahogany, walnut, or maple. We have several standard stains available, or we can finish the case to match your current fixtures, or we can stain it in black or white satin lacquer. Each display case is finished with a clear coat at no additional cost to you. Please check out the wide variety of cases on our website, displaycase-smart.com. Check out our customer reviews page to see what our customers have said about us. Give us a call toll-free at 888-843-1870.